In this video, I'm going to be doing a Hostgator SEO Tools review. I'll be going over what Hostgator SEO Tools is, along with answering the popular questions, is Hostgator SEO Tools worth it? Do you really need Hostgator SEO Tools? By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of Hostgator SEO Tools and whether or not it's worth having for your needs. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that Hostgator has provided me with so you can save some money on your Hostgator domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 66% off Hostgator hosting, plus a free domain name for annual plans or domain discount for non-annual plans. To take advantage of the Hostgator discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Let's get started with the Hostgator SEO Tools review. So what is Hostgator SEO Tools? SEO Tools is a Hostgator additional service or add-on that is offered by Hostgator when signing up with them. Hostgator SEO Tools will provide you with reports, insights, and analytics regarding the SEO for your site. SEO Tools will also recommend things to do to improve the SEO of your site, along with reporting your site to search engines. SEO Tools will provide you with a weekly ranking scan. It'll track up to 10 keywords you want to rank for. It can monitor 2 competitors. You'll get a monthly progress report and a basic personalized SEO plan. Now let's go into more detail regarding the specifics of Hostgator SEO Tools. The personalized SEO plan will give you step-by-step tasks so that you can make changes to your site and start seeing improvements in your site traffic, visibility, and search rankings. The competitive monitoring will help you understand how you compare to the competitors of your choosing. It will show you how you compare against them in social activity, search engine ranking, and link popularity. The keyword feature of SEO Tools will give you suggestions using terms and phrases straight from your website, which will then identify opportunities that bring you more traffic. Hostgator SEO Tools will provide you with an easy-to-read dashboard so you can track your success over time and see how your rankings improve as SEO takes time. In my honest opinion, SEO Tools really isn't necessary. When it comes to SEO, it covers the basics. If you know nothing about SEO, it could be a good starting point. I recommend you sign up with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and if you are using WordPress to create your site, having the Yoast SEO or Rank Math plugin can set you up for some of the basics regarding SEO and guide you on your pages and posts you create. Both Yoast SEO and Rank Math will help you guide you on your pages and posts based on what you want to rank for and how to set it up for SEO. So in my opinion, is Hostgator SEO Tools worth it? I would say it really isn't worth it. It could be helpful to you though. Everyone's needs and skills are different. Utilizing Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Yoast SEO, or Rank Math can set you up for some SEO success. I hope this Hostgator SEO Tools review video helped you answer the question of whether you really need Hostgator SEO Tools. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.